not have earrings on? Embarrassing. Hold on. Okay, I feel better now. Hey, Corillo, I'm Nemesis. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. As per usual, before we get started, let's talk about the song of the mini me. I feel like every week that sentence turns more and more into gibberish. Anyways, so the song of the week goes out to Miss Saweetie. I never know how to pronounce her name, actually. I don't know if it's Saweetie or if it's just Sweetie. Sweetie. Saweetie. And Miss Her, H-E-R. Their new song, Closer, is so fucking cute. Have you guys listened to it? It's so cute. It's giving Say So by Doja Cat vibes, but they got their own little spin to it. Anyways, that's it. That's the song of the week. Let's carry on. All right. So as you saw by the title of today's video, you know what we want to do today? We're gonna do a rice water rinse. Why, you may ask? Because I wanted to. Also because this is what my hair was looking like before the treatment. It was very clearly lacking protein. It was lacking definition, volume, shape, structure, shine, etc, etc. And the last time I did a protein treatment was back in January. So yeah, it was about goddamn time. If you don't know what a rice water treatment or rice water rinse is, it's basically a DIY protein treatment that, no, the curly girls did not come up with it. No. It's an ancient Japanese tradition the Japanese women did to keep their hair looking shiny, strong, healthy, long, etc, etc. It reached mainstream media and all the curlies jumped on it. I know that my last video was me talking about a protein treatment. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out because it's fun. It's a protein treatment by the brand Bouclem and it's great, it's fun. But I wanted to do this video as an alternative to that. In case you don't really want to spend your coin on a protein treatment by a brand, this is something that you can do at home and it's way more affordable because rice is kind of cheap. So what are the benefits of rice water? Basically, it offers the same benefits that any other protein treatment would give you. It increases hair elasticity, it strengthens and thickens hair, it adds volume, it adds shine, softness, curl definition, it promotes and stimulates hair growth, etc, etc. And also two benefits that I didn't know about that I found out during my research was that rice water rinses also help with dandruff and it dissolves hard water buildup. So now that we've covered all the benefits and why the hell am I doing this, let's get into how I made this rice water treatment at home. So a rice water treatment is actually pretty easy to create, to do. All you need is half a cup of rice, a strainer, and a bowl big enough to fit the rice plus 2 to 3 cups of water. The first step is rinsing the rice. The way I did it is by putting it in a little strainer and letting the water run until it finally started running clear. After that, it's pretty simple. You simply just put that already rinsed rice into your big bowl and you pour in 2 to 3 cups of water. I chose to put 3 because my hair is pretty long, so I wanted to make sure that I produced enough rice water. And then you just let the water ferment. Is it ferment or ferment? Bitch, when I tell you that I don't know English, you just let it sit there for as long as you possibly can. According to the research that I did, the preferred amount of time is 24 hours. But if you don't have time for that, of course, you can just let it sit for at least 30 minutes. I left it overnight, but it wasn't a full 24 hours. I think I let my water ferment for, I would say, 12 to 13 hours. And I mean, it still looked pretty fermented. This is what the water ended up looking like. So now that you saw how I created the water, let me go ahead and transfer you to the bathroom so that we can get started on this goddamn rinse. Hi there, you. Welcome to my bathroom. So the first step in this rice water treatment is washing your hair, which I didn't know. I thought this rice water treatment was supposed to be a pre-wash treatment, but I was wrong. So I'm just washing my hair and I chose that Living Proof curl shampoo because it is so moisturizing. I think it has like 0 protein, which is good because we don't want to protein overload our hair today. No. And also a side note about that shampoo, which I've been fucking loving, is that it's so moisturizing that I'm able to detangle my hair before even conditioning. Which, what the fuck? I've never been able to do that with any other shampoo. Look at all the fucking hair I lost. And I'm gonna stick it on the wall like all of you do. Don't deny it. All right, so after washing and rinsing, I'm just gonna squeeze out excess water with my microfiber towel, and then I'm gonna place the bowl that I had the water in inside the tub so that I can catch the excess water while I'm rinsing my hair, so that later on I can just literally put my whole entire head of hair inside the bowl. I'm not sure if everybody does that when doing these rinses, but it definitely worked for me, and it made it so much easier to make sure that not only my hair was covered in the water, but also my scalp. Now I'm just gonna be squeezing a little bit of the excess water, not too much though, because we want to keep the majority of the water in there. I'm gonna put it in a little claw clip and pop on my shower cap. And then I'm just gonna leave it on for 20 minutes. And after that, of course, it's time to rinse it off. When I was rinsing it off, I was so scared of my hair feeling crunchy or like stiff, because a lot of articles were warning me to be, you know, like aware of that possibility. But honestly, my hair felt very soft. It was very easy to detangle it, and I automatically saw like a boost in definition. Look how defined those clumps already look. I mean, hello. Hello, look at those S's, look at those waves. Okay, sis, and look at this little specific clump. It just kept bouncing back while still wet. Like, what? I have never experienced that in my life before. All right, and after rinsing, of course, it's time to condition. I'm gonna be using the Living Proof Curl Conditioner as a deep conditioner because it's so thick and moisturizing that it might as well be a deep conditioner. I'm gonna focus it on my ends, of course, detangle, and then I'm gonna pop it into this little foil cap as part of my deep conditioning treatment. For today, I'm gonna be using a heating cap. Woo! I personally love this one because it's microwavable. You can just heat it up for 2 to 3 minutes and that's it. You don't have to plug it into a wall or anything, and you can just pop it on. Deep conditioning with a heating cap is so beneficial because the heat allows your hair cuticle to open, and that allows the deep conditioner to penetrate the hair so much better and easier. So for my low porosity gals out there, take note, babes. And once again, I'm gonna leave on this treatment for 20 minutes. And now it's finally time to rinse it all off. I promise this is the last part that you will see in this goddamn bathtub, but I want you guys to see the results while my hair is still wet. I mean, baby, look at these clumps. Look at these clumps, baby. They are so juicy and so defined. Listen, I know this routine took forever, but for me it was worth it because now my hair is back to being balanced between protein and moisture. So now I'm just gonna wrap my little hair up in my towel and that's it. I'll see you on the other side, babes. Hey, okay, I'm back. Oh my God. That was a journey, but wow. Am I already loving what we have going on here? I don't know. I feel like we're on the right path. I feel like I did this right. So on the styling portion on this video, you guys have seen me style my hair like I lost count. So I will make it very quick, but I did make sure to pick products that I know are not very heavy in protein because we are trying to avoid protein overload. So for my defining cream, I'm just gonna be using my y'all are tired. Y'all are tired. I know y'all are tired of me showing you this fucking white and orange bottle. I know, you don't have to tell me. But I'm almost kind of done with her. So my goal is to just finish her and then not repurchase her for a while so that I can force myself to try other defining creams. Anyways, so this is gonna be my defining cream. For my gel, I'm gonna go back to a classic that I've also mentioned in this channel before, the Camille Rose Curl Maker. And at the end, I might add maybe 1 or 2 pumps of this little mousse from TGIN. But all right, let's style this motherfucker. I'm just gonna do my regular styling of dividing my hair in 4 sections because it's just the quickest one and I'm so used to it. You've seen it also too on both of these videos. Oh my God, let me tell you something very tragic. I lost my spray bottle. I think I left it in San Francisco in my hotel room. So I have to go like re-wet these pieces from the sink. Don't worry, I already ordered another bottle on Amazon. It should be here in the next couple of days. But for this video, I'm lacking. I'll be back. I'll be back. All right, I'm back. So let me just start with my little defining cream. Oh, the only reason why I want to show you guys the styling portion is because I want to see how my hair actually feels while styling and how it looks, because I've heard and read that rice rinses and just protein treatments in general can tend to leave your hair feeling somehow like crunchy, but so far honestly my hair does not feel that way at all. It feels pretty normal. Let me put on my little gel and now I'm gonna brush style using my regular brush. By the way, I am working towards getting a new brush that is actually available for purchase because I think this one got discontinued. So I'm sorry for all of you who keep asking where the fuck I got this brush from. I'm sorry, it's from Goody, but I think it got discontinued. Anyways, Okay, there's a nice little bounce back and with a tiny bit of scrunching. Okay, yeah, I would say that my definition is back. I'm gonna try again on another one. Yeah, there's like an instant bounce and instant definition. And I'm not even scrunching that much. I'm just like cupping it and boom. So we're good. I think my hair is now pretty much balanced between protein and moisture. So I'm just gonna finish styling the rest of my hair and I will be right back. Hey besties. Okay, so my hair is now completely styled. This is how it looks still wet. Definition is definitely here. She's doing the damn thing. So I'm gonna go diffuse, hopefully before the sun sets. We never know in this channel. We never know. Hi, I'm back. I know, different background. I know I had to move the camera to grab as much daylight as possible because the sun is about to leave us. But I wanted to show you my final result. But I haven't separated these super big clumps, so I'm gonna do it now. I have a lot actually of like very big clumps, and I think it's because of the way that I actually washed my hair today that like I kept like squishing water out, and you saw how like big the clumps in the shower were, so they kind of like remained like that through the styling portion. I feel like what I did today worked. I feel like my hair is back to being balanced. The definition is, it's most definitely back. And the amount of bounce, oh my god, my hair actually looks so good. It hasn't looked good like this in a minute. It was really struggling. I think I most definitely needed a little protein boost in my life. Yes, yes, yes. So if you are looking for a protein boost, a little protein treatment, but you don't really want to spend your coins, I think this is a great alternative. I mean, a great alternative for hair that isn't extremely damaged. If you are going through some extreme damage in your hair, please seek a professional. This is more if you feel like your hair was looking how mine was looking at the beginning of this video. It was looking mushy, way too soft, definition was lacking, etc. This is a good protein boost. Yay! I really hope this was entertaining and informative and fun and all of the good things. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram at nemesismario6 and on either one of my TikToks. I don't know what I'm doing with TikTok right now, but if you want to follow me, I would really appreciate it. And most importantly, girls, boys, gender non-binaries, have a great rest of your day. Bye.